10 days back, the return of 104 illegal Indians from the United States had sparked a massive outrage across the nation. From the parliament to the streets, the opposition parties had staged protests demanding the answers from the central government over the quote-unquote prisoner treatment of the deportees. And amid the raging controversy, all eyes were on the Prime Minister's interaction with the newly elected US President Donald Trump, the duo's first bilateral since the latter assumed office. Now, the Prime Minister, in fact, in clear words, has highlighted India's stance on illegal immigration issue, saying that India is ready to take back the people living in the United States illegally, while also extended support to US President Donald Trump on this matter. He also highlighted the need to destroy the whole ecosystem from its root to end the human trafficking. Listen in.
जहां तक भारत और अमेरिका का सवाल है, हमने हमेशा कहा है कि जो वेरीफाइड होगा, कि जो सच्चे अर्थ में भारत का ही नागरिक होगा, वो अगर अमेरिका में गैर कानूनी तरीके से रहता है तो उसको वापस लेने के लिए भारत तैयार है। ये सामान्य परिवारों के बच्चे होते हैं, उनको बड़े बड़े सपने दिखाए जाते हैं और उनको ज्यादातर ऐसे होते हैं, उनको गुमराह करके लाया जाता है और इसलिए ये ह्यूमन ट्रैफिकिंग में जुड़े हुए पूरे इकोसिस्टम पर हमने वार करना चाहिए और अमेरिका और भारत मिलकर के हमारी कोशिश है और हमारी कोशिश रहनी चाहिए कि इस प्रकार की पूरी इकोसिस्टम को हमें जड़ मूल से नष्ट करना चाहिए।
Yes, it did figure during the discussions today, and the Prime Minister said, as I think he mentioned during the press conference as well, and during the discussions also he said that India has made its stand very clear that if there are illegal immigrants proven to be Indian citizens in any country abroad, we will take them back. But he did emphasize, and again I think he referred to this in his remarks at the press conference, but even during the discussions, he did emphasize that the return of illegal immigrants is not the end of the story. There is an ecosystem that thrives on this racket and that promotes and enables this racket. And it is the responsibility of both countries to do something about this.
Well, you just